Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing math lesson 13. And in this lesson you're going to be making drawings and equations to show addition stories. Before we get started, there are some materials you need. You need to make sure you have a whiteboard and a dry erase marker as well as an eraser. If you do not have those things, go ahead and pause this video and go and get them. All right, let's get started. Noah loves to play with magnets on his refrigerator. He has these magnets right here on his refrigerator. What does he have on his refrigerator? Very good, these magnets. Can you copy these shapes onto your whiteboard? Pause the video while you draw these shapes onto your whiteboard. Now that you have these shapes on your whiteboard, I need you to help me make a number bond to match it. What is our whole number? That's right, 5, because there are 5 shapes. How many circles are there? Yep, you're right again, there are 3. And how many squares? If you said 2, you're correct. Does your number bond look like mine? We have our whole number and our 2 parts. Now, I want to write about this in a special math way using a number sentence. What does this 5 tell us? Yeah, that's our whole number. It tells us that there are 5 shapes. What about the 3 plus 2? The 5 is our whole number. And where does the 3 come from again? Yes, we have 3 circles. And where does the 2 come from? You got it, the 2 squares. Great job. Go ahead and erase your boards. Noah's friend gave him another circle magnet. Can you copy these shapes onto your board? Go ahead and pause the video so that you can copy these shapes up here onto your whiteboard. What do you notice? How many circles do we have? How many squares? Can you draw a number bond to match your new picture? Pause the video while you draw your number bond. Does your number bond look like mine? Remember, 6 is our whole number. 4 tells us that we have 4 circles, and 2 tells us that we have 2 squares. Now, can you try writing a number sentence to match? Pause the video while you write a number sentence. Remember, start with the whole number. 6 equals. Did you write 6 equals 4 plus 2? Think about, what does the 4 represent? Yes, it's one of our parts. It's our 4 circles. What does the 2 represent? You got it. It's our 2 squares. Now it's time for you to scan the next code so that you can do your problem set and show what you have learned.